Hello and welcome to this new video on how to delete Dropbox from computer. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your PC, and when you are inside the interface of PC, you just have to look on the bottom taskbar. There will be a search bar. You just have to click on the search bar and you need to type Dropbox and you'll be able to see Dropbox application. And on the right hand side of that interface, you'll be able to see multiple options, and on the bottom there will be an uninstall button. So you just have to click on that uninstall button and you will be opened or redirected to the settings. Now you just have to click on the source app and you need to type Dropbox and you will be able to find the Dropbox. And on the right hand side of the Dropbox text, there is 3-dot icon. You just have to click on it, and there is uninstall button. You just have to click on that uninstall button and you will be able to delete Dropbox from computer permanently. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.